Hey everyone, I'm Darren Hager. I am Chief Everything Officer, Designer, and Founder at Heyday Footwear. And today we're going to take a quick look at the new olive and black My Heyday Super Shift. Super Shift sits on top of our completely flat, zero drop cup sole, which is stitched to the upper all the way around the shoe. It is never going to delaminate. The upper is made out of ripstop olive drab ballistic mesh. You can see the grid pattern. That's what ripstop is. Then the upper is premium black aniline leather. You have your Velcro midfoot strap, which allows you to really lock down support. You've got an olive drab removable ankle strap, which can be also worn as an occlusion strap for biceps or calves or legs even. But the most interesting thing is the Velcro on the tongue, because this shoe includes a set of 67 letters and numbers that are removable and reflective, so you can spell whatever you want over and over again. It includes the letters, it includes the strap. You get flat black wax laces, terry cloth lining, super comfortable memory foam footbed. The Super Shift and all of our flat soles fit wide in the forefoot, so if you have flat feet or a wider foot, you definitely would want to go with this style. It is super comfortable, very lightweight, totally awesome, and you can customize it over and over again with any Velcro patches. We sell additional patches. It comes with the 67 letters and numbers, which are also reflective. Just a really great addition to the My Heyday family. It's not hype, it's Heyday.